Okay, folks, we come back for another practice session. Let's see how we get today, how far we get. Let's start off with the cross 6. There's a 6-4, 6-5. 8 the hard way. 4-4, 8, each point. Same set. 4, 3, 1. Eight, 3, 5. 8 point made. Same set. 4, 2, 2. 4 is the point. Eleven, 6, 5. Need to stick that landing. 5, 4, 1. Okay, we max out SOR in that set. Let's change it to the 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 2, 4, 7. 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Five, 2, 3. Sorry, flipped it. It's a 5, 2, 3. Four, 1, 3. Point made. All right, let's start populating the set. Gonna go with the 6, 3, 3, 6. 10, 6, 4. 10 is a point. Four, 2, 2. Gonna go with the 5, 4, 5, 6 set. Going for the 4s and 10. That don't count too tall. You lost the dice. You set. Same set. 6, 3, 3, 6. 9, 6, 3. 5, 2, 3. Five, 1, 4. Gonna change set. Go back to the cross 6. 6, 1, 5. Eight, 3, 5. Change set. Going back to the 6, 3, 3, 6. 8, 6, 2. Same set. Gotta be careful, that's almost a 7. 7. Okay, what do we got? 17, bro. 2 point, could make third. So that's 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, bro. It's not bad. It's okay, but could be better. See you next time.